Greetings, everyone. It is the weekend, and Gary and the guys aren't here, but I thought I'd do some catch-up work that needs to be done before they come back on Monday to set more trusses. When we left off Friday, we finished these trusses here, which is basically all the ones that are over the master bedroom. And one of the things that we have to do is there has to be blocking in between the trusses. And so we have these truss blocks that look like this. They came with the truss package, and they go up in between the trusses and get nailed in to each side. So that's what I'm going to get started on now. If I finish these, then I also have hurricane ties, which is a bracket that holds the truss to the top of the wall, and I'll put those in. All right, let's go get some more of those. All right, I got those truss blocks done. I'm gonna go over to the other side of those trusses and take care of the other ones, and I'll bring you back after that.
Kerri arrived a little while later and wanted to work on the hurricane clips, so she took the camera with her, and I didn't get any shots of the other truss blocks. So she started in on the hurricane clips, and as you'll see, she's only nailing the bottom of the clip right now. I looked up the specs from Simpson Strong-Tie on those clips, and you're actually supposed to use two different nails on them. The nails that go into the top of the wall are supposed to be 2.5 inches long, and the nails that go into the truss are only supposed to be 1.5 inches long. I'm just wondering how many of these get put in with 1.5 inches, because those 1.5 inch Tico nails are pretty much the standard what everybody has with them. So Since the spec said 2.5 on the bottom and 1.5 on the top, I just went ahead and I bought both size nails. It's a little extra work, but at least I know it's right, and it's according to the manufacturer's specifications.